Being a Bangalorean myself, I've seen Byju's advertisement 10 years back. From there to be the world's largest edtech, the biggest lesson I've learned is why to fit in when you're born to stand out.
I would like to mention a Japanese proverb here. Nana korubi yaoki means fall 7 times, stand up 8. This is the most important lesson I've learned as a Byjuite, that is resilience.
I have developed a great people skill and it helps me in my future prospects.
So in Byju's, the best thing that I've learned so far is to work in different campaigns that has made my work more efficient.
The work at Byju's has helped me to develop strong communication, negotiation, advisory and relationship building skills.
So biggest takeaway I would like to say that is a teamwork.
Byju's every day is memorable because we were called to office for work and we didn't work. There was Zumba happening at office. And another one would be our anniversary celebration, Little Outskirts of Bangalore. The whole team went and it was great. We had an amazing time.
When the offices opened up and we all went to the office, we are able to meet them offline. So yeah, that was a very memorable moment.
The first time when I joined training program, I interact with the seniors. Okay, so I was able to see what are the impacts we are able to make at Byju's. It was one of the best experience, and we had lunch, dinner, and everything together with my colleagues. It felt like a family to me.
Byju's the fun and challenges, but if I name one of them is that Mr. Abhishek JV. The thing which I've learned from him, that if you're thinking that you are done for the work, then it means that you've just done 70% of the work. Still 30% is remaining. And believe me, your best will come in that 30%.
Well, the first name would be my mentor, Mr. Parantap Chowdhury, who taught us never take no for an answer. Then my highly supportive manager, Mr. Pranav Sharma. My amazing friends at work who push me to do better. Ankit, Abhinava, Santosh, and a lot many other.
I would actually like to mention my senior manager at the foremost, from whom I have learned the seriousness of the work, was Mr. Sanket Chopra. And I would like to mention about my first training manager, who was Geetika Mulchandani, who was super supportive during my initial days. And obviously my friends and my colleagues who have helped me in my difficult times.
Stick to your goals and your aspiration.
Impossible is nothing. Sky is the limit.
As I have completed more than a year in Byju's, note that I would make to myself is to keep learning and keep enjoying the process.
I'm proud of Byju's.